morning from Sun Moon Lake.
Good morning, guys.
Today we have decided to rent some bicycles and try to cycle around this lake, which might sound a bit difficult, and I think it is going to be difficult because we're not cyclists, but we're going to try and do it and do some stops and see some things, and hopefully you will enjoy it and find some interesting places to see here at Sun Moon Lake. I think cycling around is a great way to enjoy the scenery, and today is such a beautiful day. It's nice and cool, not a breeze, so let's have some fun. Okay, we just got our bicycles and we're ready to hit the road. We are starting our journey in Xuxi with its famous pier and 4-story visitor center. There are bicycle rental shops all over this little town, and it's easy to rent the bike you prefer. If you feel a bit lazy, you can also rent an electric bicycle. We paid $480 each to rent these brand new giant mountain bikes for the day. When you rent a bicycle at one of the bike rental shops, you get one of these maps that shows you all the hot spots around Sun Moon Lake. The whole distance around the lake is approximately 30 kilometers. It should take you about 3.5 hours to cycle around without stopping. Our first stop is the Xianshan Visitor Center. And this place looks more like it's out of an episode of Star Trek. All concrete, no edges, everything is smooth, round. I think the idea of this place is to simulate the lake and the flow of the water. So it's very beautiful, people love taking photos here. But the shop, wow, things are expensive in there, very pricey. So yeah, rather buy at 7-Eleven. It's always open.
Or a local shop.
Yeah. The terrain rises and falls along the way, and that presents a bit of a challenge, but it's definitely doable for people with average fitness levels. We decided to stop at Shengguangshi Temple because it's halfway up the hill and we needed a break. There's also some bathrooms here and the views are outstanding. I mean, this is great. Just have a look at this. we decided to make a quick stop at the Tsin Pagoda. I've always wanted to see this, but to get there we have to walk 750 meters, or should I rather say climb steps. So yeah, it's a bit of a walk after cycling for a while, but we're doing it. Almost there. Wow, just look at that. This temple definitely has the best views. I mean, we can just sit here, relax, look at the beautiful lake, not a breeze, weather is perfect, it's quiet, some temple music playing in the background. I love it. We stopped here at Ita Shao Pier for some lunch and just to enjoy the view. We're sitting here on the steps right in front of the water and it's lovely. And what's better than enjoying a Taiwan sausage for lunch? This is it. We made it around Sun Moon Lake. And whew, that was tiring, don't you think?
Yeah, I'm so tired. I'm off right now.
I think Emily is going to sleep really well tonight.
Yeah.
There were a lot of uphills, but fortunately also downhills. And the views made it worth it, definitely. Without the views, no, it's not worth it. But just seeing all these beautiful places, I really enjoyed it and it's refreshing. So yeah, I think you should try it too. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, remember to subscribe, press that button, subscribe button. See you next time. Bye.